right, I'm a delivery van guy in an off-road vehicle. Well, that's weird. Today we're going to take a look at the Transit off-road, what do they call it, Allie?
Transit Trail.
Transit Trail, and this is interesting. So let's do a walk around right now. All right, Kelly, we are in the Transit Trail, and this is pretty interesting, right?
This is because I can see a whole lot of Pinterest installs on this baby.
No Pinterest stuff here.
Pinterest.
No,
yes.
no. But if you're an influencer, this is probably the vehicle for you because you can put your whole wardrobe in here. You can do outfit changes while you're doing videos, and you can go off the road. So let's walk around this. We open this bad boy up, and of course you got this big nice step here, as you can see. Plus you actually, you know, it's a step. It's a transit van, so you can expect a few things, but you're getting actually electric seating in a commercial van like this. That's nice. Nice little details. There's cup holders, the switches, everything. It looks nicer probably, Kelly, than a transit van normally.
There are literally cup holders everywhere.
And you know how Kelly...
You all know how I need cup holders everywhere.
Yes.
They're in this.
But let's see, but you're nice monitor. It's not some just generic package now. Let's see, is a key in it? We'll start it here. See the startup functions. It's kind of fun. It says transit. It's the typical, it looks like Sync 4 system in this thing. You do get heated seats. All your AC and stuff controls are there. So it's very simple here in the dash. So definitely let your co-pilot, if you're driving down the road, handle that. But now the basic, you're going to get kind of transit, what you would expect, normal transit stuff here, but you're getting a nice radio, nice USB up here with the 12 volt as well, so you can have a couple different attachments up there.
That is nice.
Looks like there's a spot for your key up here. They got a nice little key emblem up there, and just cargo everywhere, man. And I think we both, Kelly, would have that thing full of just maps and all kinds of fun.
Yeah.
Wait, we use the apps. Never mind. Screw that.
And this is a feature that you can choose for it too.
Yes.
And you've got extra storage up here, which, think about this, if you're decking this out to live in it on the road, you're gonna have to get creative with what you put where.
Yes.
So these areas are super smart and super necessary.
Yes. Now, another big thing, it's a transit van, so we'll turn it back on, and I don't know if I need to shut the door on this part, but we'll find out. But you're gonna get a nice backup camera there. Look at that. So you got 360 cameras around you, because if you're off-road, that's going to be pretty important. And you know, you got you got all the backup there. You can see the green probably when you're backing. I'm assuming that turns a little bit, but actually a pretty nice resolution camera in that, and that's pretty impressive. All right, you may not get all techie here, but you actually do get a little push button start, which is actually pretty nice. All right, look at that. There's a metal floor and not a lot else to see, but the potential is there. And that's the idea. When Ford came out with this, a lot of people were like, well, you're not getting anything. If you do a custom version, if you were to buy a custom version of a normal version of this, you're talking 150, almost 200 grand for something, you know, kitted out like this. And this gives you the opportunity. You can do it exactly how you want it. Now, there will be manufacturers, you know, there'll be trailer manufacturers and stuff that buy these and want to kit them out and sell to you, which there's nothing wrong with that, but empty shell, lots of space for fun. And speaking of which, when you got to step in that, look, actual metal guards, and those are not complete rock sliders, but they would definitely on the trails help you out. And pretty nice footprint on there. So you get all the way down here. Once again, getting mud flaps, well, shows are going to get ripped off on the trails, we know that. But the back of this thing, look at this. For one, you get special badging. I mean, how cool can you be? It says trail and it's got a compass, so you know it's made to go places. But look how massively tall this thing is. That might be, depending on how you're going to use this, if you're, you know, traveling across country, you need a little bit more off-road friendly vehicle, because, well, you never know where you're going to be. This would probably be pretty freaking nice, because, for once again, you can customize it how you want. It's got heavy duty springs under it, so you can load this down a little bit. You know, you got your dog, maybe your partner with you, whoever, there is plenty of room in this thing to explore. Now let's open the back. Anytime I want to make deliveries, gotta open the back of this thing. And there's Kelly.
Hey!
How could we option this thing?
Oh, don't even get me started. Or do you want me to get started?
Get started, because there is a lot of room.
Yeah.
Once again, there's a lot of room to do things in this vehicle, right?
Oh, I could absolutely see a queen bed back there.
Man.
For us, but it folds up. Thank you, Pinterest. It rolls up, so when you're done with the day, you just put it up there, and then you've got all this area.
Well,
you've got a little...
Where's my wet bar for my whiskey?
It's over here.
Oh, so the wet bar is going to be over there. Okay, yeah, and don't drink and drive.
But don't drink and drive. It's just, that's where it is.
You know, basically we could put a second floor in this. Sydney could be up there. There's a lot of options this thing.
Yeah,
but
you just have a bunk too somewhere.
But you have to be open to the idea of maybe customizing this thing
Yes.
yourself. And I kind of like it. It looks like you might dump another speaker in there, and it's got nice speakers in it. So we're going to get some Goodyear Wranglers. These are a 1675 245. And you can say that backwards and probably say it right. But you are getting a little bit bigger Meteor tire in this. Kind of cool wheels. It's missing the caps because this thing has not been inspected just yet. But look at the plastic fenders that you get with this, which actually you can see they do stick out. And if you're kind of on those fire roads and stuff that gets a little tight, you can actually have a little bit of protection there. And I like the placement of the cameras. You know, normally they're on trucks, they're kind of under the mirrors. Well, you might need to fold those mirrors in. You still want those cameras sticking out, which is cool. It's a transit van, yes, but this is in the cactus gray, which is fun. You get a little bit of Raptor lighting. Now, you know, this is I think has a 3.5 if I remember right in this thing, but it's not a Raptor, let's be honest. Off-road, you're gonna want the lighting, and I believe it has the 360 lighting around it too, which is nice on camping experiences. Now, this bad boy, this was a special order, but this bad boy, as you can see, is $72,325, which you're like, okay, I could buy a lot of vehicle for that, but you cannot buy a lot of vehicle that you can customize. All right, so if you've got $72,000, you need some cool Raptor lights on a transit van, this is probably for you. And all kidding aside, this is a shell of a vehicle that gives you lots of opportunities. And if you're wanting to travel, a lot of people work from home now. You're able to travel all across the country and work like that. Work-life balance, like go adventure, do your 8 hours, whatever you need to do during the day, and go have a blast. So in the comments below, let me know what you think about this. Are you interested in content like this? Because I would like to build one of these things out. Hey, 100K subscribers when we build one of these things out. So whether it be 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, or this freaking cool transit that Allie will not let me drive. This has been your All-Terrain Nation. I'm your host, Dave Boyd, and we're out. Peace, everybody. Love y'all.